Dear all, welcome to Chance Biology. In this video lecture, we will learn how to download DEM or DEM file for ArcGIS freely from USGS. So first open your browser and write here USGS Earth Explorer. Click on it. When the USGS website opens, click on search criteria. Then in search criteria, come here and click on address or place. Write your desired place name. Then click on search or show. When it comes, click on the address place or place address. Then come down and click on dataset. In dataset, there are a lot of options. You can download the DEM file for different types of data, but here we will click on digital elevation. Then in digital elevation, click on SRTM. In SRTM, we will select the first option, SRTM1 arc second globe. Then click on result and wait a little. Then click on the overlay to check either our desired places in one overlay or in many. Then click on the download option. We will download our image in GeoTIFF file. Download it and save the DEM file in your desired folder. After saving, take the desired DEM image and place it in the ArcGIS. After placing in the ArcGIS, here click on right click and open properties. In properties, come to the symbology. In symbology, open the colored layer to give different colors to different types of data present in the image. Select your desired one, click on apply and OK. Now this is your DEM file of desired area. You can further use it for your map. Thanks for watching.